Hi there. Today we're gonna remove the rust from a hand sickle. First we need to use a small sandpaper to remove all the surface rust. This can be easily done with even a drill and an attachment of a wire wheel. But as there isn't much, I'll do it myself. So we remove it and then we'll file it up. So let's see. We remove the surface rust. We clean it a bit up, and then don't worry about this. This is just rust particles standing around. So to file it, we need some whetstones. We have the ceramic for the final polishing of the, and we have the harsh one, the whetstone, the finer, and the ceramic, which is the finest of all. So the hand sickle has a blade on one side only, so here it is. This one is a flat surface, so here we just clean the flat surface. I like to do it on a one way. I'm starting with the heavy gritty stone. We clean it up a bit. And that is the first sharpening of the edge. Remember, this side we have to clip this whetstone flat. I'm sorry if I'm a bit fidgety, but my dog is just biting my ankles. Next, we grab the ceramic one. We polish it out. And you can see, after we clean it, that it has got a shine to it. Now, as we already said, this isn't the sharp side. The sharp side and the angled one is here, so we have to angle this. So first we wet the whetstone. Remember, a dry whetstone won't do any good, and you just move with the curve. I hold around an angle of 30 degrees. And I give around 10 passes. I don't count them on my mind, but I know how much I've given. So after I clean it, we can leave the slack there, because it will help in abrasing the metal pieces. So always keep it around an angle, a small angle, so like this. You have to watch the angle of the blade and you'll learn to do it. It's easier. Just mimic the angle of the blade. So this is done. Let's polish it out. If it's too much curve, you can just use the side. This is the honing part, when we use the ceramic to get it a bit steeper, and then hopefully after cleaning properly we can see the shyness of the blade. And let me see, you can see it's sharp. It is sharp a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, subscribe and give us a thumbs up.